Welcome back to another episode where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have a high-flying battle between two incredible drones. On the left, we have the Gloral drone with 4K camera RC quadcopter, and on the right, the Loily drone. These two are about to face off in a drone showdown. Let's get right into it. First up, let's talk about the price tag. The Gloral drone is priced at $179. That's like buying a high-end steak dinner for two, if your dinner could fly and take 4K selfies. Meanwhile, the Loily drone comes in at a wallet-friendly $99. You could buy this drone and still afford a few rounds of drinks to celebrate your new purchase. So if you're on a budget, Loily is already winning your heart and your wallet. Now, let's zoom in on the camera quality. The Gloral drone boasts a 4K camera with a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustability. It's like having a professional photographer in the sky, capturing every detail of your life, even that bad hair day you had last week. On the other hand, the Loily drone offers an HD 1080p camera. It's perfect for casual shots and Instagram stories, but if you're aiming for Hollywood-quality footage, Gloral takes the cake. Reviewers have noted that Gloral's camera quality is impressive for both amateurs and professionals, while Loily's camera is good but more suited for casual use. Next up, let's talk about flight modes and automation. The Gloral drone comes with GPS follow, route planning, and fly around 360 degrees. This drone practically flies itself. It's like the Tesla of the skies. Meanwhile, the Loily drone offers one-key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, and headless mode. It's like the friendly neighborhood drone that's perfect for beginners and kids. Reviewers appreciate Gloral's advanced flight modes for enhanced experiences, while Loily's simple controls and fun features are loved by beginners. Battery life is crucial. The Gloral drone gives you up to 46 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries. That's longer than some of my relationships. The Loily drone, with its 2 rechargeable batteries, offers around 25 to 30 minutes. It's like a quick fling. Fun, but over a bit too soon. Reviewers have praised Gloral for its impressive battery life and reliability, while Loily is noted for its decent battery life that justifies its price point. Portability is key for all you adventurers out there. The Gloral drone is compact and foldable, perfect for those who love to travel. However, the Loily drone can literally fit in your pocket or backpack. Plus, it weighs under 250 grams, so no FAA registration needed. It's like the tiny house of drones. Small, but mighty. Reviewers love Gloral's compact design, but Loily's ultra-portable nature has won many hearts. Safety first, folks! The Gloral drone is equipped with advanced flight control systems and GPS technology, ensuring stable and secure flights. It's like having a built-in parachute. The Loily drone offers propeller guards, spare fan blades, and a low battery warning. It's like having a drone with a built-in safety net and a mom who constantly reminds you to charge your phone. Both are reliable, but Gloral has a slight edge with its advanced tech. Reviewers have highlighted Gloral's advanced safety features, while Loily's basic but effective safety measures are also appreciated. And let's not forget the extras. The Gloral drone comes with features like app-controlled, altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, obstacle avoidance, and one-key takeoff/landing. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. The Loily drone offers voice control, gesture selfies, 360 degrees flips, gravity sensing, and even the ability to add music and filters. It's like the Snapchat of drones. Fun and full of surprises. Reviewers love the plethora of features that come with both drones, with Gloral being noted for its professional-grade extras and Loyally for its fun and user-friendly additions. Reviewers have praised the Gloral drone for its professional-grade features, impressive camera quality, advanced flight modes, and long battery life, making it a great choice for both amateurs and professionals. On the other hand, the Loyally drone is celebrated for its affordability, user-friendly controls, fun features, and portability, making it an excellent option for beginners and casual users. So there you have it, folks. Both the Gloral drone and the Loyally drone have their own unique strengths. Gloral is perfect for those who want professional-grade features and longer flight times, while Loyally is the ideal choice for beginners and those on a budget. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, whether you're soaring high with Gloral or keeping it fun and simple with Loyally, always buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome comparisons. Until next time, happy flying. Product links are in the description.